Wonders, they say, shall never end. Would you believe if I tell you that I made this jollof without tomatoes? Ane, intosi baako koraa eni jollof yi mu. Are you wondering what then I used in making this jollof recipe? Keep watching. So the primary ingredients are the carrots. Do not be scared. I know how expensive carrots are in Ghana at the moment. I did not use all. To spice it up, I added 1 bay leaf, onions, ginger, nkete or aniseed, rosemary, and 3 habanero peppers. For me, I don't like too much pepper in my jollof, so little goes a long way for me. From here, I'll put it on fire and add just a little amount of water to help it cook faster. Off camera, I tossed it periodically to help it cook faster because of the amount of water I added. I should have added more because during the blending, I had to add more water. In my cooking pot on fire, I have added the oil, and after a while, I went in with the onions. I watched a video from Sister Trust Me, and guys, she added the nutmeg earlier, and you can also trust me on this. Inobe, yeah, it be. I love the aroma at this point, so I'll let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then I'll go in with the blended veggies you saw earlier. I used half of the carrot in this recipe, thinking it will behave like tomatoes. That is, it will cook down, but that wasn't the case. So after cooking it for about 20 minutes, I decided to take half because I wasn't going to cook much of jollof this day. Cooking, they say, is an art and a science. And so, emre dane no, na so wadane wo bi. Enya abre bia na de tomatoes ebeye jollof. Trust me, this jollof blew my mind. I wasn't expecting it to have tasted that good, but it surprised me. After adding the rice, I added some salt. The stew at this point wasn't enough because I cooked much more rice than I anticipated or I had wanted. I planned cooking from the beginning. So I covered it to have it cook for about 5 minutes before adding water. At this point, I realized that the jollof would jollof. So I had some already made gizzard in the freezer. I picked a few and cut them into smaller chunks and added them. At this point, let me ask you, Minia Bema, Anyami, one name, have you subscribed? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on the notification bell after subscribing for me. If you have been watching my videos all this while, chop kiss. I appreciate you so much for always stopping by to watch every video I drop. Your comments warms my heart, so please keep them coming. To be honest, from the beginning, now I pick this jollof with one can eye. But when I realized that it is jollof and it's jollof, I decided to add this Starcase tuna flakes, and it elevated the taste and the aroma to the next level. Me ankasa me surprise me hungry, and I decided that jollof without fried cocoa it's not jollof. I had to fry this ripe plantain be on the side, and guys, Wonya bi di a nka wankasa na wobɛka. That is why I am sharing this with you. Try it and give me your review in the comment section. So what I added onto the plantain was some of the stew, because it is almost like a spice. So I am now using it as a spice. Can you imagine? So on a low heat, I fried the plantain, and just look at what you are about to see. I do not know about your country, but in Ghana, kanzu ehihia menkomefe omuedenche. So the second floured plate, I added a small amount of the kanzu to it because I was giving it to a gentleman. The one I just added the green chili sauce. I decided to bless two of my neighbors with this great recipe and also share it with you so that externally or from afar you can also try it and share your experience or your review with me later. Until I come your way with another recipe, my dear, keep hope alive. Bye bye.